Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can change language in Zoho Books. This is helpful if you work in a multilingual team or prefer working in your native language. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on the dashboard of Zoho Books, you will just go ahead and click this gear icon right here, which is the settings. And what you will have to do is you will look for organization, and under the profile section, you will basically look for organization, um, location, or language settings. So it should be somewhere right here. But it really depends on it really depends on the layout of your screen. But under the organization profile, you should see the language option. So yeah, once you see the language option, you will just have to basically select your preferred language from the drop down, and then after that you will verify by checking the menus and options to confirm the language has been applied correctly. And yeah, that's how you can set up or change your language in Zaha Books for a personalized experience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have an awesome day.